It's already prepare already. This one guys is order. My daughter Sanchai co-work. So this one guys is order. So I make this one for Sanchai order the office meat. So this one is shumai so big. This one guys is my homemade. I'm the one to make this one. And then this one is the ito yung lalagayan niya. Dito ilalagay pag mamaya sa office ng anak ko. Tapos ito naman yung garlic. Then ito naman yung kanyang pinaka sauce. And may nag-order din ng rice, 2 rice with siomai. Ayan. Madami yung nilagay ko ng rice, pero okay na yan. Ayan. Dalawa yung nag-order ng rice. Saka yan. Ano yan? 62 pieces na ano, na siomai na nagawa ko. Tapos yung ano, ito nilagyan ko na ng garlic para sa boss niya. My daughter, ano, boss. This one. So that's it guys. It's already prepare.